When it comes to penetration testing, anonymity is one of the most things hackers tend to do. So what we normally see in Hollywood movies where hackers tend to change their IP every after seconds, where their locations cannot be seen by somebody who is trying to find them. So now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your IP every after seconds. This could be 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Now here I'm going to show you how to use a simple script that I coded. So this script is uploaded on GitHub. So you're going to go to GitHub. Then here you're going to provide my username, which is gr33n37. Then the exact file it is grn337 IP changer. So now if you click enter, our site is going to load, and you're going to see that I created a good documentation on how to use this software. But we are going to download this in our Kali Linux machine. Then we start up the service. I'm going to go on and copy this link. So when we come here and you scroll down, I made sure that I included a picture how the software looks, and when we come here I also showed you what to do. So you can come here after it finishes to load and come copy this. So let's go on, open up our terminal. So now here I'm going to change my location to software. This is where I save my programs. Here we are going to say git clone, then I post my program here. So if I press enter, then you will go on and clone up the software. Now here you're going to say cd gr33, press tab on your keyboard, and to autofill that, press enter and say cd to that folder. So now here you see that we have two files. We have the IP changer.sh. So now we are going to change the permission of this by just saying chmod +x and IP changer. Press enter. So now if we delete this and release our content, you see that this one has changed the color. So now to run this, we are going to just say /IP changer. So now this software will go on and install to our browser inside your system, and also to start to our browser. So here if you say /IP changer, press enter. Now here I'm going to first cancel this. Now when running this software, make sure you run it as a sudo. So here you are going to say sudo IP changer. If you don't run it as a sudo user, it will be asking you for password every time when it is loading the service. So now here says sudo /IP changer.sh and press enter. So now if we do this, we shall insert in our password once. So now here you see it has GREENET-EPIC changer. Now here they tell us to enter the time in interval of seconds. So I want to change my password in 5 seconds and press enter. So now here they tell us to enter the number of times we want to change our IP address. So for this case, I'm going to type 0 for infinity and press enter. So now when you try to see here, our tour is going to be started within our system and our IP is going to be displayed. So now if you see here, in case we get a new IP, it will be displayed here. Now the system is already started and it is loading. What is remaining to do is to go and open up our browser. Even though the IP isn't displayed here, but we shall get our IP and it's still running in the background. Make sure you don't stop with this terminal where your program is running from. So we are going to minimize this. We come to our browser. So press Ctrl+Shift+A. Now with Ctrl+Shift+A, they bring you to where you have extensions. Now here you need to download a software called FoxProxy. Proxy. So now you can add this extension of FoxProxy in your browser. Now you can go on this first one, which is the standard. So when you tap on that one, make sure now for you click to add to Firefox. Now personally I have this within my system, that's why here it is showing remove. So here what we are going to do, we need to configure the Tor settings inside our browser so that we can access the proxy settings. So this is our Fox proxy after setting it within our system or after installing it within our system. You are going to click on it. It will have a view like this. Then you are going to come to options. So if you come to options, we are going to set an IP and port within our system so that our Tor browser can work very well. So if we come back to our terminal, you see that we have some samples of IP addresses listed within our terminal. These are some of the IP addresses that are being changed every after the 5 seconds we provided within our system. So you see here we have also a new IP that has come here. Now when we come back to proxy change or our Tor, in case we land to a good server, our internet will be faster. In case we land to a bad server, our internet will be slow. So in the proxy, Fox proxy, you are going to come here to proxies. Now here you are going to click to add. So when we come here to add, we can provide this with a name. So I'm going to call this change or IP changer. So when we come here to the type, I'm going to click to the drop down. I can choose either SOCKS 4 or SOCKS 5. So let me go for SOCKS 4 with our type. So when we come to the host name, this is where we are going to type our loopback address. So which is 7.0.0.1. So let me come back here and change this type to SOCKS 4. So when we come to the port, you are going to come here and say the port is going to be 90 and 50. So here you are done setting your proxy within your system. So click on save. So if you click on save, you are going to see the IP changer is going to be saved within your system. And if we come here to our Fox proxy again, you will see that IP changer will be listed. So now what we need to do, it is to switch to our IP changer. So just come, tap to the IP changer to your system, and here we can test that our IP is not linked. So go to the site dnslinktest.com. So if we tap on that, you are going to see that we shall have an IP from a different location. So for a fact, I do not stay in Netherlands, but when you try to see here, they say our IP is in Netherlands. So in case we wait for the 5 seconds that we provided within our system, I can go on and refresh this. You are going to see that our IP will change. So this one, it is 192.168.42.116.185. So if I come here and I refresh this, you will see that our IP will change depending to the seconds that we gave. So now here you see that they tell us that we are in Germany. You see that within few seconds our IP changes in our system. So now here you can go on and watch movies from different location, download songs from different location. Here you are completely a ghost over the internet. Subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. You can even post a comment, or you can even share to friends that may be interested in this. Have a great day. Peace.